Hi folks, Mark here from Dalton Clock Repair. Just wanted to give you an idea of what we're working on, what we just finished. We have a Eli Terry pillar and scroll. Let me turn the camera around here. We just completed a restoration on, and then we have this nice belly banks and biddle clock here. Has a German movement inside there. Let me poke the camera in here. Hopefully you can see it. Let me turn this light on there. And we just did a restoration on that. And we just did a this Woodworks clock here, this transitional Woodenworks clock here. Open the door up here so you can see. Putnam Bailey says patent clocks invented by Eli Terry. Putnam Bailey. This is the same type of movement that we have in the pillar and scroll I just showed you. You can see the restoration involved with something like this. It's a little bit different than you would have with the brass movement. You can see the cherry bushings here that were put in to correct the wear. Same idea, same concept as a brass movement, but in this case we use cherry bushings because this entire movement is made out of cherry. And this was something that Eli Terry actually pioneered when he developed his pillar and scroll clocks. He made the movements out of wood, and he developed the assembly line procedure so that these could be mass produced, and then the cost was kept down so the average person could then afford these clocks. Before that, it was only the elite who had these clocks that were able to have in their house. So this is the sort of an important facet of history here in manufacturing in general. It's Eli Terry. This is one of his clocks here that he developed to start the mass production process in clocks, and he might have been one of the early ones or the first ones to mass produce anything in the U.S. This is probably mid 1700s here. This one's a little bit later. Now you can see the get a close up of it here. You can see it's weight driven. The weight cable goes up around a pulley here, and then the weight drops down on either side of the movement. Same thing with this clock here. You can see the pulley on the top. This clock will run, this one runs about a day or two. I think it's about 2 days. This one probably a little bit longer because we have the increased height. This is not an 8-day movement. I know it doesn't run for a week. So I thought I'd just drop you a line here and let you know what's going on and show you some of these things. I do intend to do a video on one of these restorations here coming up. So look forward to that on my YouTube channel. With that, I'll say goodbye to you. Please be safe out there, and we'll see you in an upcoming video. Bye-bye.